Hello guys, welcome to OBSCENTSED. My name is Silvia and I'm obsessed with scents. I'm back from Cannes guys, and I wanted to do a little unboxing kind of video where I show you everything I got there guys, and I tell you like a little bit of the whole, experience there in Cannes. But not really reviewing the scents itself. I will do separate videos for that guys to go a bit more, in depth, focusing more on the brand, on the perfume in separate videos. But I wanted to do like an unboxing kind of experience because guys, I have two whole bags full of perfumes and samples. I even got like big bottles, full-size bottles guys, and I'm just so excited to show you everything. I found some real gems, like absolutely new loves in my collection guys, and I just want to tell you about that guys. So I hope you enjoy this kind of video. And yeah, so let's start with the first bag. This one I got, it's incredible, by Reinvented Parfums guys. This was my very first meeting. Like in there are different samples and perfumes, not just from Reinvented guys, but it was my first meeting and I got this beautiful tote bag, which I really like. The fabric is like really cool as well. And this meeting guys was just incredible to me. First of all, because it was my first meeting, but also because, I don't know, the whole experience there was just from a movie. I really felt like in a movie guys. Also, if you're interested in my experience in Cannes guys, check out my Instagram, because there I have like a highlight and also some little reels where I talk about my days in Cannes guys. So if you're interested, check those out. But yeah, I would say let's start. I didn't know the brand Reinvented guys, so it was incredible to just discover them all. And also I actually got like my favorite from all of them. Like I sniffed and discovered all of them, and then I was asked to pick my favorite, and my favorite was called Eureka, and I really got one bottle guys. Like this to me is just so special. I'm really not used, to getting full bottle sizes. This to me was very special. I'll do another video on Reinvented, as I told you, to give you more details on the brand, on the fragrances. But just wanted to show you this incredible packaging. This scent to me was just incredible, my favorite, as I told you, even though it's not the bestseller. Like the bestsellers are Sacred Bond, the one with the blue cap, and also I think the newest release is going to be a very viral scent, Lucid Dream it's called. But this one is just wow. I really big love. This one was like my first gift guys, and it was just so cool to receive, a perfume of this incredible brand. Then I also got like the discovery set where I have all of the fragrances of this brand guys. So stay tuned for the dedicated video on Reinvented Parfums guys. Have you tried the brand? Which is your favorite? Let me know please. So let's see what I have next in here. Madurai by Memo Paris guys. Again, super cool to receive a 30 ml bottle. This is going to be my first perfume of the brand. I have some samples, but this was like the first perfume I'm going to have. So very excited about this. A beautiful creamy fresh jasmine scent. Very excited to review it to you as well. Let's see what else I have. A new brand that I also discovered, and it was kind of like a discovery by chance, because I got invited to a party. I don't know if you have heard of the brand guys. It's called Anti Perfume. I got some samples, and I think guys, this brand is really going to bloom. Like I really see a big wave coming for this brand. You heard it here first guys. No, but really it's really a beautiful and interesting concept, like brand concept. I really like the whole vibe of the brand, and I'm very excited to review, like kind of giving you like a first reaction kind of video on the brand, even though I already tried it. But you're smelling so many different things, so I kind of remembered the exact scents guys. But this is going to be very fun because I picked my favorites back then, so just the best of the best for you guys. Anti Perfumes, let me know in the comments if you have tried the brand. Then I got the new launches of New Notes, also going to review them for you. I had the honor to meet Eric from the brand. I just really love to meet the people behind the brand guys. It's so special to me, and to get that opportunity is just like, to me, really priceless. So continuing with the House of Oud, I also got a discovery set with a lot of different scents. Not the newest releases, but a lot of them I haven't like tested. So going to do a first impression for you as well, dedicated video. But I mean, how cool is this? I think the one I know and I really love is White Pearl, but I don't really remember. We'll tell you about that in the separate video. Continuing, if you know me, you know I'm a big fan of Dusita, guys, and I got this beautiful cool pouch, and I had the honor to meet Sarah, guys. I got invited to a party there and I knew I was going to meet her, and it was like, you know, I was just very nervous, but guys, she's the most humble person. She's so friendly, so nice, so lovely. I really loved getting the opportunity to talk to her in a very cozy setting. Like, she was just so down to earth. It was like a little flat in the middle of Cannes, guys, and then, you know, just having the opportunity to sit at the sofa and talk to her about all her favorite perfumes, guys. That experience is just so special to me. I got some little gifts, guys, and I want also to show you my new favorite discovery from the brand. It's not a new one. Their newest one is Tonka Latte. I love these minis. Tonka Latte is their newest release, but it's not my favorite. A new one that I just discovered and it was just wow to me. Pelagos. This is the one with the black, like the black bottle, and this one is incredible. I sprayed it also here on my hand, and then another person said, hey, oh my god, it's smelling incredible. Who is that? What is that? And it was indeed Pelagos. So again, separate video, guys, but I just love this brand so much. I also got some little other samples, but yeah, Dusita special bag. Loved this. Also from Memo Paris, I got this cute, you know, thingy. I don't know how it's called. Tissue-like. Memo Paris. It was very cool. They had like a whole floor, actually, like a whole floor dedicated to the Memo Paris world. There was a Memo cafe. It was very cool. Also, everything on my Instagram, guys, if you're interested. Another super highlight is a new release of Room 1015. This is the extrait version of their bestseller and first perfume, Electric Wood, that is supposed to capture the essence of the first guitar of the founder, Dr. Mike. I had the honor to meet him too. I got invited to the 10th year anniversary party, and there we got this incredible scent, guys. I was not expecting this. Again, it was like, you know, to receive something like that for me, it's just wow. Am I dreaming, you know? Because I really fell in love with the scent, like at the first sniff. I don't know the original. This is one of my absolute highlights, guys. Again, I will, you know, do another video on this. I think a dedicated video only on the scent because it's just so incredible, but just wanted to show it to you. Then we also got some other goodies from Room 1015, some slippers. And that was perfect because I really needed some for my Airbnb because I forgot mine. And then, very funny one to show you, we got this. And I was really scared because I really didn't know what it is, you know, guys. It smells like chocolate, like white chocolate, but I didn't know what it is. So I really didn't know how, you know, if I should even try it. I tried it, nothing happened. It was delicious. It's definitely something with white chocolate and it's very good, but still. And I also got a Palo Santo, I think very cool goodies from the brand. Then I have some samples of Tomavicci, guys. Have you tried the brand? Gâteau à l'ananas is just so incredible to me. That one is really a 12 out of 10 tropical dream, guys. If you know Note Sugar by Parfums, guys, I just adored that scent, especially for summer nights. Gâteau à l'ananas is kind of similar from the vibe. I just absolutely adored the sweet caramelized pineapple dessert. Incredible scent. Also, the new release, which is Siren's Veil, is very good. I got some vibes of Angel's Share, but it's different, but just so you can imagine. It has some similar vibes to that scent. But yeah, Gâteau à l'ananas, incredible. Let's continue, guys. My friend Faye from Boadicea showed me their newest launch, and this one is the mini version, guys. From now on, Boadicea is going to offer little samples, like 10 ml. If you can't afford the big bottles, you know, the price is just very high, but you really want to enjoy the scent. This is like a new option to make it a bit more, you know, approachable for everybody, and I think that's a very cool thing. This one is the newest launch, guys. Lanosea it's called. It's a beautiful, very sophisticated, fresh scent that lasts a long time. Absolutely adore the mini and just the scent in general. Very, very good. Then I also had a meeting with Kajal and I got a big bottle of Colada. Again, a very beautiful tropical dream. I want to show you the bottle. It's my first Kajal fragrance, guys. I have not any. Like, to own this, guys, I don't know. It's something, guys, to me, this all is just, I feel like in a movie. Like, this is really like, again, a separate video coming soon. But this one, yeah, just look at this bottle. It's just, I can't believe I own all of these, guys. I just can't. Another brand I could finally discover there in Cannes is in Astra. I had heard of it. They're inspired by the stars and they try to capture the essence of the stars in fragrances. That's incredible. I love, love, love the concept about that. I met the loveliest Fabiola who introduced me to the scents, and the perfumer behind each of them is her sister. So that's also a very beautiful, you know, story behind the brand. And my absolute favorite is called Vanant, which is a very beautiful dark rose. Incredible dark rose. I'm going to do a separate video on that because I also got the samples of the other scents. So separate video coming soon. But this brand, again, the concept, the story behind, wow, 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 I love this so much. Also finally got to try Coreterno. Video coming soon with my favorites from the brand, guys. Incredible, incredible creations. Very unique. Birkholz, I got to try their newest launches. We'll make an updated video on this as well. And I finally could try Mornings in Milano. That was very hyped. To be honest, guys, it didn't surprise me that much. It really reminded me of a creamier version of Oud Intense. So it was nothing too new to my nose, but still very beautiful. But I prefer Oud Intense, but it's something along those lines. Then I also got to try for the first time Phill and Phill. I got all the scents here, guys, and also their newest release, which is beautiful. I love the color. And Laura, the daughter of the founders, told me that all the scents have a different color. In general, the concept of the brand is, again, incredible. It's the love story of the founders. So Laura was telling me about this whole, you know, journey of her parents, and all of the scents are like either emotions or date locations, like they're inspired in all those different stages of this love story. So again, a beautiful concept and story behind the brand. In the video I'm going to tell you everything about it, guys. Then Micallef, I got this beautiful pouch, guys, with their newest releases. They're just the kindest people, guys. I got to know them in Mexico at the exhibition in February 23. And then I visited the factory in Grasse, guys, and it was just a beautiful experience. So I have been, you know, in touch with the brand since then. And it was very cool, you know, to visit them, say hi, and just, you know, get to know about their newest releases. And this one, guys, this one, the new one, this is going to launch in March. And it's called Purple Love. Guys, be prepared. I think a lot of you will really, really enjoy it. And also others are Habana Puro and Notorious XO. So their newest, you know, launches. But this one, Purple Love, guys, it's incredible. It's just beautiful. And also look at this cool bag from Kajal, guys. Like in general, also the bags, like I'm very happy about that as well. But yeah, all these goodies, guys, I'm just so thankful. I can't believe everything happened. Like in general, this Cannes trip was absolutely incredible to me, guys. One of the happiest moments in my life. All those scent adventure, guys, and perfume adventures are to me just so special, and I wanted to share everything with you. So I hope you're excited for my upcoming reviews. I am very excited to review them to you guys. Let me know if you have tried any of those already. If you have any questions about the Cannes trip or the tax-free exhibition, guys, feel free to ask me and I hope I can answer you, because I have to tell you that some years ago when I first heard of it, like it was something so new. I had never, you know, heard of that exhibition. I just knew it was very special in the perfume industry. So I really tried, you know, to ask people that were already there. I really tried to gather all the information to know if I can just, you know, go and attend, and I didn't know how it works. Just feel free, guys, to ask me if you have any questions on that topic, and I'm very, very happy to help you. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.